Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
And welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, we'll learn how we can add suggestions in a GitHub PR review. The first thing you can see over here is that I've made changes to my readme.md file in my dev branch, and these are the changes that we have. Now I have entered my comment and description. Let's commit it to dev branch and push it to origin. Once that's done, I'll head over to my GitHub repo. And over here, you can see that we have the changes coming up and it is automatically detecting it. Dev had recent pushes 1 minute ago. Let's go ahead and click over here, compare and pull request. So we have the title, description, everything coming up. And over here, what I'll do is I'll be going ahead and I'll be creating this pull request. So let's go ahead and do that. The pull request now has been created. And if you come on to this tab, which is files changed, you'll notice the changes that we have made, and then a plus icon is appearing next to each of the lines that were changed. So if I go here and click on this plus icon, I'll get this editor coming up. And over here, if you notice, this is the first suggestion button that is coming up. So the first one is the suggestion button, which says add a suggestion. If I click over here, it is picking up that particular content and then putting it over here. I can go ahead and make some changes over here, like add suggestions in, I would just say, in our GitHub PR review. And then I can go ahead and say add single comment if I want to, or I can say start a review over here. Let's go ahead and say start a review, and it says pending over here. And then we'll go ahead and click finish your review. And here we'll have this as submit review. Now once that's done, you will notice that this is coming up over here. It's reflecting that what suggestion was made, and I can go ahead and say commit suggestion and go ahead and say commit suggestions, and this is going to apply it directly on that particular file. And then we have our merge pull request. Let's go ahead and do that and confirm merge. So now what we have done is we have updated that particular line, and we have also along the way committed that change from the browser itself. Now if I go over here and fetch this particular branch data, and you can see that we have this coming up. So we'll be pulling from origin, and now you'll notice that over here in our file we have the updated suggestion. So that's how easy it is to add suggestions in a GitHub PR review right from the browser.